Welcome to the San Diego County Office of Education's CSET English Subtest 3 preparation course. Watch this short, approximately 4-minute informational video in order to learn how to navigate this course and prepare for this specific subtest. In order to best utilize this course, start by reviewing the content domains by clicking on the Content Domain Standards tab, which is on the top of the left navigation bar. Just skim through them so that you have an understanding of what will be on this test. Next, take a practice test by clicking the Practice Tests tab on the left navigation bar. Since this test is comprised of 2 constructed responses, you will be writing to the prompts provided. Time yourself and take no longer than the 2 hours allotted to read the texts and write or type your responses. Since you will be typing on the day of the actual test, the best advice is to actually type your responses in either a Word document or Google document or other thing available to you. After writing your 2 constructed responses, review the sample answers. When you review your answers, ensure that your answers are between 800 to 1,000 words each and adequately cover all parts of the prompt. This is another reason it's an excellent idea to type your answers, since looking at the words provided is easy to do on that type of electronic document. Next, gauge your understanding of the content and review the domains and standards again if necessary to see what areas you need to review. Once you determine what you need to review, click the Resources and/or Glossary tabs on the left-hand navigation bar to review content domains that you have not yet mastered. Next, make flashcards, write notes with pictures, or use another study tool that works for you in order to study before taking another practice test and practicing additional prompts. When you log into the test, there will be a timed tutorial which will explain how to use the testing system. Learn how to utilize features like highlight and strike through. This tutorial will not take up any of your allotted testing time, and it is available for 10 minutes and could really help you when you are creating your constructed responses. As mentioned before, you will have 120 minutes or 2 hours to complete this exam, and there will be a time remaining clock in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Use that to pace yourself. As previously mentioned as well, this test is comprised of 2 constructed responses. One, which will be based on a literary text or a comparison of 2 texts, and the other on an informational text or again a comparison of texts. You will compose a written response to each constructed response using the computer provided. Spell check will not be allowed, but do not worry about that since spelling is not something that is graded on this exam. As far as other resources you will be provided with, you will be given a whiteboard or marker or other resource to take notes, and also the opportunity to utilize headphones or earplugs. The suggestion is to take all of these things in case you need them, particularly the whiteboard, since you can use it to outline your thoughts and take notes, create an outline to organize your answer before actually starting to write. Since this test is comprised of written responses, it will take about a month to receive your test results. In order to find out when your specific results will be released, go to the CTC exam site, which is linked here, to review the specific test result release dates. Your official CSET test results will be sent to the CTC and any other institution that you indicated when you registered, as well as emailed to you if you requested that option when you registered. As always, if you need to retake the test, you can certainly retake it, and you will register for that online.